Alright, so this is what it looks like during the day. Last time it was during the night. Alright, so I'm going to just practice on the hood right now. Not practice, I mean, I know how to buff a car. But an RV as well. Just see if I can bring this to shine. We're going to start with these two hoods over here. Alright, that's what it looks like right now. And then I'm going to buff and see what happens. So yeah, and then the day, can't bring this back to life. I'm only using this right here. It's made for RVs. So did it for like not even a buffer. It's technically a polisher. So basically a wax polisher. So just by that alone, I'm definitely gonna bring this thing back to life. I gotta cut it. You know, I use the DeWalt buffers or whatever, so once I cut this thing, yeah, glaze it, wax it. But that's what it looks like right now. Definitely could bring the paint back to life. That was the original paint, and then this is basically starting to bring the paint back to life, but it's gonna be a process bringing the paint back to life. Happy. Can't be any happier than that. You actually can see the reflection. Got a lot more cutting to do though. We definitely got to cut this thing. This thing definitely, you can see the shine. You see the shine. Definitely got to be cut. Happy. And now from this right there. It's shiny. But I need the right buffer because this obviously is not the one. It's made for wax. I need to actually cut it. But yeah. Well, could restore the paint. That's a good thing. Then the front's gonna get painted. We'll go from there. All right. So now with the tarp, it's kind of dark in here, but this is how the kitchen is now. It's coming out. It's kind of cool because it looks like it's like sunset. You know, the sun's going down, or you're waking up early in the morning, sunset is going up. But yeah. And then we're splitting the rooms for now, and then that's the front. Shut the door. Actually, I'll just shut the blind for now. All right, thank you for watching. We also did the front. We can bring the paint back to life, so that's a good thing as well. So definitely making money on this thing. Definitely made money off this thing. All right, peace.